Hello, founders. This is your friendly reminder and guidance from Chris Johnson, bringing clarity, answers, and direction for every founder preparing to step into the new phase, Victory with Ash. Let's go through some of the most common questions many of you have been asking, and the clear answers that will guide us all forward. Question 1. I have many accounts. What should I do? Use your main account to qualify. Once you're approved and receive your link for the new business, you can use that link to register your other accounts under family or friends. Question 2. Can I submit all my accounts under my name? No, you cannot. Each account must belong to a different person. Please refer to Question 1 for how to properly handle your other accounts. Question 3. My children are under 18. Can they apply? In many countries, the legal age may differ. So, check your country's rule. When they reach the legal age, you can always bring them in under your link. Question 4. What if I lost my email or password? You'll have to wait until someone you know qualifies and gets their link. Then you can join under them. Question 5. Does everyone have to do KYC? Yes, absolutely everyone. There are no exceptions. Question 6. Will I lose all my extra accounts that I purchased? No, you won't. They are safe and secure. Please refer again to Question 1. Use your main account first. Question 7. What if I already submitted all my accounts under my name in the application? Don't worry. It's not ideal, but it's okay. Some may or may not qualify, but your accounts are still valid. Once you receive your link, you can properly place your extra accounts under your main one. Question 8. What happens if I don't qualify? You will still have the chance to join under another person of your choice once they qualify. After that, you can build your structure and bring your accounts under you through your new link. Question 9. Do people have to qualify first before joining under me? No, not necessarily. But remember, you want people who will work their business with passion and commitment. These updates will continue as more questions arise. So stay calm, stay alert, and stay connected. Victory with Ash is not just a platform, it's a journey of transformation, teamwork, and trust. Together, we're rising stronger, more united and fully prepared for the future ahead. Victory with Ash. One vision, one community, one unstoppable future.